Hello friends, welcome to the Chipnut Coding Club. In this video, we will show you a simple way to animate a character in Scratch. To view this video, you have to choose HD in your YouTube. If you have a bad internet connection, the clarity of the video will not be good. So take care of the settings before you start watching this video. Now let us see what we are learning today. You will learn today how to animate a character in Scratch. You will also learn how to create a new costume for this character and how to add sound to your project. Now look at this animation. This is what we are going to do. This is a talking penguin. What is this penguin doing here? As you can see here, the penguin makes sounds by opening and closing its mouth. Let us see how to create this project now. As always, first open the Scratch from the desktop app. Remove the cat as we do not want this cat here. First step is to set up the background. Select the background. This is an Arctic background. To know more about how to add the background, you can learn this from our video, which is called Scratch Part 2 video. Now, the next step is to choose the sprite. You select the penguin sprite. There are two penguins. Here we are going to select the second penguin. This penguin has 4 costumes. Penguin 2A, 2B, 2C and 2D. We will see here that we are going to use penguin 2A and 2B for our project. Now let us go to the main screen. Here we go to the looks block. Here we drag switch costume to block and from the drop down menu select penguin 2B. Go to control block and choose wait block. You can change the time to 0.5 seconds. Now again drag switch costume to block and from the drop down menu select penguin 2A. Click on the instruction set and observe. Sound, go to sounds block. Drag and drop start sound block as shown and select chirp from the drop down menu. Let us see how this set of instructions work. Remember, the instructions get executed one by one from top to the bottom in the order you have put them. So first it starts the sound, then changes costume to penguin 2B. It waits for 0.5 seconds and then changes to the costume penguin 2A. Now let us see why wait block is required. let's remove the weight block and see. Are you able to see the costumes changing very fast? And we are not able to see that change. The computer executes instructions so fast that it is difficult for us to perceive the change. That is the reason we use weight block. Weight block helps to pause and the costume does not change quickly. We can perceive the change. Increase and decrease the wait time and observe the character. To complete the project, add an event. We are adding when this sprite clicked event. That means when we click on this sprite, it starts the sound, changes the costume, waits for 0.5 seconds and then changes to the next costume. You can go to full screen view mode and have some fun with your penguin. Now let us try this animation. This is a barking dog. Follow the instructions given talking penguin. Let us do another animation. Frog catching an insect. Frog has 3 costumes. One with the insect, another putting the tongue out, and the other one to catch the insect. To add sound, go to the sound and search the sound. You can see different sounds here. Keep the cursor on the play button to hear the sound. Then select Jungle Frog sound. Click on the instruction set to observe. In our project, we want the frog to come back to the same position after catching the insect. If we use costume for the frog as 2A, it has an insect. We don't want the insect after catching the insect. So let us create a new costume. Duplicate the frog 2A costume by right-clicking and selecting duplicate. Rename this costume as frog D. Now to delete the insect, we have to edit this costume. Pick the eraser and erase the insect. Now we have a new costume. Let us add this to our program. Add an event block to complete the project. If the music is too long and you want to stop, then you stop all sounds block. This is optional. Go to the full screen mode and have some fun. In this way, we can try to animate other characters. Why don't you do one thing? Try to create projects yourself and do share with us. You can share your comments in the comment box or send us an email to chipnuttech@gmail.com. Thank you.